Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets and home essentials. Today, we're diving into the world of mesh Wi-Fi systems with the Tenda AX5400 Mesh WiFi 6 System Nova MX15 Pro. Let's start with the basics. The Tenda AX5400 Mesh WiFi 6 system is designed to blanket your entire home with high-speed, reliable Wi-Fi coverage. With its dual-band Wi-Fi 6 technology, it offers blazing fast speeds up to 5,378 megabits per second, perfect for streaming, gaming, and connecting multiple devices simultaneously. What sets the Tenda AX5400 apart is its extensive coverage, equipped with 6 powerful antennas and signal enhancement modules. It can cover up to 5,600 square feet, eliminating Wi-Fi dead zones and ensuring a seamless online experience throughout your home. One of the standout features of the Tenda AX5400 is its seamless roaming capability. Every unit in the mesh network works together to provide a consistent and reliable connection as you move around your home. Plus, with support for up to 200 devices, you can connect all your smart devices without compromising on performance. And let's not forget about security. With WPA3 encryption and built-in parental controls, you can rest easy knowing your network and connected devices are protected from online threats. You can even monitor and manage your network remotely using the Tenda Wi-Fi app, giving you peace of mind wherever you are. In conclusion, the Tenda AX5400 Mesh WiFi 6 System Nova MX15 Pro offers an impressive blend of speed, coverage, and security, making it a top choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home Wi-Fi network. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews and tech insights. Until next time.